I'm gonna make a squeeze the lemon juice out from here, folks. Doing it manually like this is better because I'll find it just as well to do it by hand. I've done this for her before. Honey will do her a world of, and just give it a nice stir, folks, like this. It's just had a little bit of sugar and she hasn't fallen asleep, but hopefully this lemon will fix her up, folks. Take this baby from me. Look, there you go, baby. Where you going? I thought you were not well, baby. I just had to get up, folks. It's my baby has got a very bad sore throat, so I've got up to